All I need is 10.
Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Yolissa Hair once more. Same packaging as usual. So firstly, I have the wig here. I have a wig cap. I got a pair of lashes, a headband, edge brush and comb, a nice slim elastic band. I love that. And lastly, I got a headband, even though it's not a headband wig. So that's nice. Today we got some inches working with. I'm super excited for this. Yolissa is one of those companies I recommend if you want inches. I've gotten multiple really long length wigs in the past from them, you know, and I was pleased. So yeah, they're definitely one of those companies for sure. Ooh, this is beautiful. The color job, oh, this is so nice. So obviously, as you see, this is a nice highlighted lace front wig. This is 26 inches that we're working with. 26. It feels really nice and full. I got one strand so far. Okay, no more strands. So minimal shedding. The hair density is 200% density, so it has a little bit of weight to it. It's a medium cap size, and it's the hair quality. It's 10A grade, 10A plus grade. Here, so as you can see, it is definitely processed because it has all this highlighted action going on. This is how the construction looks of the wig. It has 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and it's a 13x4 space. It's also a medium brown lace, so that's how that looks. And it's a straight texture, as you can see. So I'm gonna be doing a nice sleek look with this today. I am so excited because I'm gonna be doing a glue install with this. I went ahead and slipped the wig on. Guys, to be honest, I'm so in love with this wig. As I said before, the color job, if you guys know, you know that I really do love these kind of streaked highlight blonde vibe on my wigs. I've always been just loving when I get these kind of wigs. So as usual, you know, I line up the hairline and cut away the excess portion there around the ears, so you know it's fitting nicely, and also that is so that it's comfortable in that area as well, because if the wig is on top of the ear, that's going to be very uncomfortable. So as I said before, I'm doing a glue install today, and I actually went ahead and did 3 layers of glue, and I wanted to wear this for the entire weekend, and I think I only got a chance to record like when I did 2 layers, but I did actually apply 3 layers of the glue. Took my time, spread it out evenly, and of course you never lay your lace on top of the glue when it looks this white. You make it dry down and until it looks clear and tacky. That's when it's time to lay the lace. Otherwise, if you lay the lace before it's like clear, it's going to stay with that white casty look. So after it's clear, and yeah, you don't go in and apply your second or third layer, or whichever amount of layers you want to apply, without the previous layer being clear.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know 10 more minutes with you.
Cut away the excess lace and all that jazz, and I kind of just fast forwarded to the whole part here where I'm kind of just laying the hair in the opposite direction, because how this wig came with the front hair, the hairs were kind of laying towards my face and I didn't want that, so I took my hot comb in combination with the wax stick to lay it out of, like, pull it back then. And then I proceeded to doing my soups, you know, the usual. So that's what I did here. Didn't make it very thick. It's just like nice sparse baby hair look.
Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you. So what fighting for? What all those rumors do? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Or I don't wanna make it all about me again. But I don't even know half the things you said.
So after I'm done with the edges, I move on to laying the top of the wig so that it's as flat as possible. I kept it in the center part because that was the look I was feeling. And my hot comb, I believe I have it on 450. It's really, really hot. You have to be super careful. But I love the way this came together. The texture of the hair felt really soft, I must say, and it was very nice and silky, so that was definitely a plus for me. And that's before I straightened it. Like, you'll see in a few where I haven't I haven't used my flat iron to straighten it as yet, and it's feeling so good. I pronounced the part more by using some concealer on the end of my comb there, and it looks good. So you see what I'm talking about? Look at the hair. I have not straightened it as yet, so that's pretty impressive. So this is where I actually moved on to straightening the hair, and it didn't take long. Obviously here I'm dressed and everything, and I'm kind of ready to go. And I waited to straighten the hair until the last bit because I wanted to have that nice, fresh, sleek, flowy, straightened look. So that's the reason why I waited until I got dressed to go ahead and straighten the wig. I don't know. This color job is just a 10 out of 10 for me. A 10 out of 10. So yeah, that's gorgeous. The movement, the luster, everything is perfection.
So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you.
I'm all done with styling this hair. Listen, before I even straightened it, as you saw, it was so easy to straighten. I didn't take long going through it at all. It looks really good. It goes really well with my outfit right now. I really love the way everything complements my skin tone. It's completely down my waist. It feels like 30 inches and it's only 26, so really nice. So shout out to Yolissa Hair once more for sending through a bomb wig. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig if you're interested in ordering it in my description box, as well as all the specifications. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.